Hey friends, let's do Give Me All Your Love guitar lesson by Whitesnake. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. And we'll do the main solo at the end. Let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with the open E, and then do a bend on 3rd fret G, and then play the A. Then play 5 on the D, 4 and the G, and then 5 on D and G. And then we repeat that again, just leave out the open E, bend 3rd fret, A power chord, our 4, 5, 5, 5, and just go back to an F power chord 2 times. And then C power chord, G power chord, and then come up to an A flat or a G sharp there. So then we're going to play the open A string palm muted 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Play our 5 on the D, 4 on the G, and 5 and 5. Do our open A again palm muted 3 times, and then do 5 on D and G, slide up to 7. Open A palm mute once, back to 7 and 7, 5 and 5, and then a little run to finish off. We're going to play the open E, 3rd fret G, 2nd fret A, and we do that second part 2 times, so whole thing slowly. And then we have the verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting with 2 palm mutes on the open A, then do our 5, 4 to 5, 5, and do it again. Then go to the E string, 1st fret, 2 palm mutes. Then you're going to play 3rd fret D, 2nd fret G, and open B, and then 3, 2, 1. So we're going to do a G, 5 on the D, 4 G, 3 on the B 2 times, and come back to the F. Then play 5th fret on the A. We're going to do a D minor, and then we're going to do a D sus2. So we're just taking our 2nd finger off, and back to the D minor. Then C, G to our G sharp, our 2 palm mutes on the open A, our 5 and 4, 5 and 5, and then do our 5 and 5 on D and G, slide up to 7. Palm mute on the A, 7, 5. Then we go back to the palm mute on the open A 2 times. Now 5, 4, 5, 5. Palm mute on the A, do 5, 4. Palm mute on the A, 5, 4, and then 5. So the next part's the same. Our F, palm muting. Our 3, 2 open to our F, our G. Back to our F. This time we're going to go 5th fret A, do our D minor, D sus2, D minor, and then do a pinched harmonic on the 7th fret on the G string. So, and then just play our C, G, G sharp, open, A palm muted 2 times, and then our 5, 4, 5, 5, and then we have this little run down. We're going to do bend on the 5th fret on the A string, bend and release with a pinched harmonic, and then 3, 5, 3, E string, 5, open, and then a pinched harmonic on the 3rd fret of E string. So, and we're going to use that run a bit, and that's our verse there. Now let me play your chorus. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that'd be fantastic. So let's get back into it. So our chorus is going to be similar to our last part of the verse. 3, open A, palm muted, our 5-4 to 5-5, and then palm mute A, 5-4, palm mute A, 5-4 to 5-5. Now we've got this little run down. We'll play A, 3, 2, E, 3, so, and then to our F1, first fret on the E, our F with the open B, to our F, our G 2 times. Now one guitar goes back to the F, the other guitar plays the 2nd fret pinched harmonic on the G. There. Then we go to our 5th fret A, our D minor, our D sus2, our D minor, and do the pinched harmonic on the 7th fret there on the G, the same as we did in the verse, and then C, G, G sharp, and to finish it off, 2 palm mutes on the open A, our 5-4, 5-5. Now this run's the same as our run from the verse, except we've got no pinched harmonics. So 5 bend, 3-5-3, E5 open, 3. So slowly. And that's our chorus there. From there we just go back to the second half of the verse and we play that exactly the same. So then we have our chorus and we have this end part of the chorus. So let me play that for you. And that gets us ready for our solo. So we do the chorus up to the C, G, G sharp, and then just go up to the A. And then we're doing the intro again, bend on the 3rd fret E, play A, our 5-4, 5-5, do that again, and one more time, and just finish on the A, and then we're ready for the solo, and we'll do that at the end. Let's do the solo rhythm. So we're starting on this C over F. We're going to play 2nd fret on the E string 3 times, palm muted, and then go to 4th fret D and G, back to the 2nd fret E, palm mute, and then 2nd fret on the D and the G. So, then use your bar, start in and let it come out 2nd fret G, 5 on the B, 4 on the G, and then 1st fret on the G, 2nd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the A. So then do the first part again. Now this time play 2nd fret G, 2nd fret D, 2nd fret A, and then 1st fret G, 2nd fret D, 2nd fret A. So and do that 3 times. Then the 4th time's going to change. The first one stays the same. The second one, the start stays the same. And then we just play A, E, B, A as power chords. Then we go to F, hold for a bar. Then play it again, hold for a 3 count. Go to E, to a D power chord. C for 2. G for 2, back to our A, hold for 4, and then do our run down again, no pinched harmonic. And do a pinched harmonic on the 3. So then we go to a C over 8, so we're playing the open A string, 5th fret on the D, G and B, and this is a chord right before also the keyboard part. So we have and then we have all our clean keyboard part, we come back into it with our run down again. And we just play our second verse, and then we have our last chorus. We play that for you. So we're just starting the same as our previous chorus. Another one to our F, to our G. No pinched harmonic, just play the second fret on the G, and then 5th fret on the A, our D minor, to our D sus2 to our D minor, then just play the 7th fret on the G, and then our C, G, G sharp. Now come back to F and we're just palm muting, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up to the G, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So and then we're going back to the start again. Our run down, our G, to our 2, our D minor to our D sus2, our 7, and then our C, G, G sharp, A, and finish the same as our intro. Now we have this last arpeggio thing, 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 5 on the D, and just go down a string and do the same thing, 3, 2, 5, and then we're going to come up to, again, C over A. We're going to play the 10th fret on the D, 9 on the G, 8 on the B and the E, but also the open A, and we're just going down and up there. And that's all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. We're going to start on the 5th fret harmonic on the G, then 5th fret on the B, and then 5th fret on the E, and use your whammy bar to pull up. Now this whole next part is pinched harmonics, but every one he's bending on the 4th fret G. You've just got to get your pick in the right spot and find the harmonics. It's going to be different for every guitar. So on this one we go. So that last one we're going to do a bend release. Pull off the 2, pull off the open, and then on the D string 4-2 open, A string 4-2 open, and then a pinched harmonic on the 2nd fret G. So that can be tricky. You've got to find the right pitch on the harmonics. And then we're tapping. We're going to tap, and this is just all done chromatically. So we're going to hold down the 2nd fret on the B string and tap on the 5th fret 3 times. We're not doing anything with our finger on the left hand. So 1, 2, 3, and then just move up a fret, do the same. A fret again, another one. So just chromatically we're just moving up, 3 taps on each. And when your tapping hand gets to 16, do the 3, and then we're bending on 17B. Play 17, 14, bend on 17 there. So let me do that part slowly for you can see the tapping there. So. Up to 16. Then we've got this fast little legato run. We're going to play A, 12, 14, 16, D, 12, 14, 16, G, 13, 14, 16, then B, 14, 15, 17, stay on B, 15, 17, 19, and then E, 16, 17, 19, and then bend on 19. So slowly. And then E17, B19, E16, B17, G16, slide back to 14, and then do a bend on 17B. So, and then we're doing legato again, B17, pull off to 14, G16, pull off to 14, on the D16, 14, on the A16, 14, slide back to 12, hit the open E string, let it come down with your bar, then again bend on the 4th fret on the G string with a pinched harmonic and let it come down with your whammy bar. Then we're going to do a small bend on the 4th fret G. Now this is all pinched harmonic, so, and then 3rd fret D, 2nd fret on the A, then just move up 3, D4, G5, and then 6, do a bend again with the pinched harmonic. 5D, 4 on the A, 5 on the A, 6 on the D, 7 on the G. So, and then we've got this tapping again. We're going to tap on the 11th fret and hold the 8th fret. We're going to do it the same way we did before. So 1, 2, 3, move up chromatically, 1, 2, 3, again 10 and 13, and then 11 and 14. Then we're going to jump to tapping on the 19th fret on the E, pull off to 15, 12 and do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then do the same on the B string, 1, 2, 3, and do that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're bending on 15 on the B, E, 12, 13, bend again on 15 on the B, release, pull off to 13, 15B, 14 on the G, 13 on the B. So, and then play 17E, 17B, do a bend on 20 on the E, and then just play 20, 17, and then come back to 20 on the B, 17, then do a bend and release on 19, pull off to 17 on the G. 19D, 19G, 19D, back to G, 17, 18, and then D, 19, 17, A, 19, 18, 17, 15, 17, 15, 17, E. So that last part. And then just finish on the 17D and G and slide down. And that's our solo there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Give me all your love, guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.